Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to change the title, description, tags, etc. after the uploading your video on your YouTube channel. Come to the laptop, open the Google Chrome and go to the Gmail address on which Gmail address you have created the YouTube channel. Click on it and then type the YouTube Studio. This is the YouTube Studio and click on the first link. Open it. And you can see here, this is your channel dashboard. And click on the content option. You can see here, this is the content. And content option, all video, all appear here. You can see here, the first video, how to edit, the description and other things. Your video, after the uploading of your video, this is your view on the YouTube, and this is the comments, and this is the analytics of this one video. You can see here, this is the analytics option. In analytics, you can see how the watch time. Click on it and you can see here, this is the analytic of this one video. These are all views and watch time and subscriber, and you can check these three things from analytics option. Go back again and you can see here, this is the three dots option. Click on it and you can see here, the first one option is edit title and description. Click on it and you can see, this is the above is the title and below is the description. If you want to some change, and then you can change anything easily from this option, and then finally click on the save button. Now click on the cancel button and then click on the three dots and you can see here, get shareable link. This is the shareable link. Click on it. The video links, you can share this one video to your friend. You can paste, copy, paste, share your link here. You can see here, and then click on the enter button, and you can see this is your video. Then click on the three dots. This is the promotion option. You can promote your video, legally promote option available here, and you can download your video from this option. Also downloading option available here. Brainstorm video option also available. Delete forever option is also available. You can delete your video easily from this option. And now come to the detail option. You can see here, this is the main option. Click on the detail icon and you can see here, the title and description is also available in the detail option. And you can change the title and you can change the description and you can change the tags easily from this option. You can see here, so scroll down and I want to type here. So you can type anywhere. So I want to type the channel. You can see here the save button appear here, and you can also undo the change button is also available. So erase this one change. Scroll down and you can also change your thumbnail. Click on the three dots. You can see here and click on the change option, and download option is also available. Auto generated option is also available. Click on the change option. If you want to change your thumbnail, click on it and you can upload any one thumbnail easily, and scroll down and you can also change the playlist from this playlist option. And you can see here, scroll down and click on the show more option, and then scroll down again, scroll down, and this is the tag option. The tag option is more usable option if you want to enter new tag. So click on the tag option and type your desirable tag here. You can see here, dashboard explain tag I added, and you can cancel easily from this option, and you can enter up to 500 words. Scroll down again and you can change these all option easily from the detail option. You can also change the moderation option, comments option. And so in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to change the title, description, the tags, detail option, how to download, how to share your video link, and how to copy your video link. In this video, you have covered these all things. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.